Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have access to the right sources and permission to query them. Once done, install the analytics tool and required runtime. This avoids late blockers. Next, define 1 to 2 measurable KPIs and a focused question so your work stays useful. Then connect to a sample dataset and run a quick exploratory query to confirm schema. Make sure to save credentials securely and create a lightweight notebook or project folder to capture initial findings. You now dig into the data, profile distributions, missing values, and obvious anomalies so you know what to trust. After that, clean and transform with reproducible steps, normalize scales, impute responsibly, and derive features that map to your KPI. Once transformed, choose an appropriate model or visualization technique based on data type and business question. Make sure to version datasets and code. This lets you iterate quickly and compare approaches when you test performance or clarity. You finish by validating outputs, backtest where possible, run cross-validation, and sanity check that results match expectations. Once validated, deploy incrementally, push to staging, enable monitoring for data drift and performance, and automate refreshes on a schedule. Make sure to document assumptions and set alert thresholds. If things go wrong, check schema mismatches, permissions, and data freshness first. These account for most failures and are quick to verify. Then roll back or patch the pipeline as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.